Hello everyone, today we're taking a closer look at Ava and June, a fashion brand that's popped up in ads with cute clothes and trendy styles. But is it a legit online fashion store or a scam you should avoid? Let's break it down. So Ava and June presents itself as a stylish women's fashion brand offering dresses, tops, outerwear, and seasonal pieces. Their site shows clean layouts, fashionable product photos, and lots of customer reviews and huge claim discounts. Sounds good, but slick marketing doesn't equal trustworthiness. So before you hit add to cart, let's look at independent signals. Ava and June is a brand with a domain that has been around for a while and matches the About Us info, which is a good start. Unlike many sketchy sites, Ava and June shows up in legitimate fashion brand directories and has a visible presence online. There are independent customer reviews for multiple platforms, not just on the shop itself. That's a strong indicator. The brand has a social media presence with real community engagement, likes, comments, and user photos. That's much more typical of brands that deliver products and care about reputation. These are good signs that this isn't a throwaway scam site. So what do real buyers say? Some positive feedback. Several users report outfits looking as advertised. Many mention good fabric quality for the price, and most customers say delivery times were reasonable. Some buyers note sizing can run small or big, so checking the size chart matters. A few report slower shipping during peak seasons, not unusual for online fashion. Importantly, there are real unfiltered reviews with photos outside the store itself, not just on their own website. That's a key credibility factor. Here are some of its pros. It's a legit fashion store with real-world presence. Positive customer photos and verified reviews, trendy styles and a variety of sizes, and transparent shipping and return policies. However, some sizing inconsistency. Always check the chart, and not every item fits every body type, standard for fashion. But none of the red flags associated with scams. So is Ava and June legit or a scam fashion store? It seems to be a real bona fide fashion retailer with a consistent online presence, independent customer feedback, social engagement, and clear policies. Some tips before you buy: always check the size chart carefully. Use a buyer protected payment method like PayPal or credit card, and read verified reviews with photos. If you love trendy outfits and want to try this brand, it looks like a safe place to shop. Just shop smart. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.